So step one or tip one or whatever you want to call this, start small, guys. You do not need to go figure this out right now and go invest a bunch of money into a single curriculum. Again, I don't think you should have everything under one curriculum anyway. I think it needs to be mixed and matched. I think you need to do all those things I talked about in previous modules. You need to know your kid, learn your kid. Have some time to de-school and break away from that traditional thinking that you need to have this whole set curriculum and you need to be doing school 6-7 hours a day. Okay, there's no one size fits all, and there's no pre-built or created curriculum out there that's going to work 100% for every kid. So if you have more than one, you don't want to buy a curriculum. What you buy for one might not work for the other, probably will not. What you need to do is go through the deschooling process. Start small, save your time and money up front, and just invest in a couple of things. Try out some free things that are similar, like video learning or workbook learning or homeschool groups locally, whatever it is, out school. And then once you see what works or doesn't work, then you can start investing more money. I promise you, save your money. Don't just dump it all into something because you'll be frustrated and you'll be reselling stuff in the homeschool groups.